Okay, now let's do a center for a flower. I'm going to come up and I want to make a circle here. So we're going to pretend that that's the centerpiece. And then what I want to do is I want to make little circles around it. Now you don't have to go super fast, but look, you see what's happening is I am going around all these cute little circles, and I'm able to do that in total detail because I'm just moving the fabric with my fingers and my thumb. And if I get to a place where I have to shift my hand on the fabric, then I would stop sewing with the needle down, move my fingers, which I didn't really have to, but you will have to if you're doing a large, grouping of something, and then continue going around. Now, I want to show you something else. I'm going to make V's. You see, every time I get to a point, I am taking extra stitches so that I can have sharp points. Now, listen, you don't see me going 90 miles an hour on this little booger. So if I were you, I would start out, reasonable. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in and I'm going to add petals. And I'm going to come up and down because I want my petal to go out behind here. And do you see how I want that to be a curved corner at the top of the petal? Look how much control I have because of my hands and my fingers doing this work for me. And I am no longer keeping when I used to do this, the way everybody told me, oh yeah, hold your hands flat on there. One of the things that happened was that I would clench my teeth because I was trying so hard to keep from moving. And when my dentist told me I had cracked teeth, I was not a very happy camper. Don't do that. Just don't do that. Okay, now, and I have no idea what I want that to be, so I think I'll turn it into some grass. Anything you can imagine, you can do by thread sketching on your sewing machine. Anything. You can make it beautiful, and if it doesn't look beautiful, just keep adding to it until it becomes beautiful. Let's take a look. Fun, huh? You got some weird stuff going on in here. You could just come back in here and make another little flower in here. You can do anything you want to because it's your garden and it doesn't matter.